and hit me like this, eh? I never thought that nothing doesn't beat me again. I go slap her.
Me say beat you.
Now hit me again. Small touch, I touch, and I start to beat me.
Don't they beat you? Who be that person?
He did outside.
He said me he beat you. Who beat you?
Me. He did outside beat me.
It's Gazi Clef Productions.
Zeke. So that must why. Zoro no get it.
He said who beat you? Who beat you?
See ya.
Who beat you? Next anybody here? Who beat you?
Now me this baby beat me, see ya.
Wait, you say him beat you?
You touch her hand now. Touch her hand. No me cut my slippers.
This small boy beat you.
Now they call me small boy. Which one be your own now? Now they call me small boy.
You don't
What
say
is your own now?
You don't say now. If na me now, you go call the alarm for us now.
This too good though.
Papa, now you dey call goat.
They call me
Now
goat.
you dey call goat. You know, beat her now.
They call me goat. Aye, yay. Oluwale. Subscribe here.
Subscribe here.
Subscribe.
Please. Subscribe here.